Okay, so here's my second attempt at a video for YouTube on the Corolla Gti 16 valve UK 3-door hatchback. I need to change the heater resistor blower. So what I've basically done, I've sprung out the the glove box, and basically you have to spring it out so these pegs pop out from inside. So you get your hand down there and spring it one way, then you spring it the other way. You have to do that to get at the screw at the top. And there's a screw there, a screw there. There's also a screw down there. This screw, you need to take off this little kick plate. Take off a little nut down there, get that out of the way. Okay, then you take the screw out from there. Couple more screws here. Okie dokie. Try not to swear too much. And I've just basically put these back in a minute ago just to hold it in place. Okay. This lot all pops down. And what I'm led to believe on the torch, this is the heater blower resistor, that joker in there. Okay, so what I'm going to do while the camera's running, see if I can get it out. I'll find the old trusty Phillips screwdriver. Yeah, that light's not very good. Get some light on the job, mate. Get in there, you bugger. Okay. And the other screw, Jesus. Well, God only knows. Oh, well, there you go. How about that? Only one screw. That's it. Okay. That's it for now, mate. Thanks for watching, and if this has proved any use to anybody, then thank you for watching, and you know what to do. Bye bye.